Hello, I'm Food Daniel. Today we're doing kindergarten level ambidextrous jazz riffs. We're going to take the exercises on the first 3 pages of Jim Chapin's legendary instructional method, Advanced Techniques for the Modern Drummer, and we're going to play each of those 1 measure exercises 8 times. The first 2 times will be cross-handed, the next 2 will be uncross-handed, the next 2 cross-handed, and the final 2 uncross-handed. The idea here is to give your hands a little bit of coordinated independence from each other. This first exercise we'll do is naturally the simplest of the bunch, because the 2 limbs are doing the exact same thing as each other. But it's still a very, very useful exercise for you to play, because it's a great exercise to begin to get yourself used to playing riffs with the right hand on the snare and the left hand on the cymbal for a change. So yes, indeed, play this exercise several times through so you start to really get comfortable with playing it that way, with the right hand on the snare and the left hand on the cymbal, and back again. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after playing that riff a few times, are you starting to feel it? Are you starting to get comfortable playing the snare with the right hand and the cymbal with the left? All of the exercises we'll do in this part 1 will feature the snare only striking at a point where the cymbal also strikes. There are no exercises here where the snare will strike at a point when the cymbal is not striking. We'll take it up a notch in part 2. But for this part 1, take each exercise slowly. Again, really get comfortable with playing the snare with the right hand and the cymbal with the left, and then switching it back to cross-handed again. It's difficult for a while, it really is. But once you get the hang of it, it feels so good, because you're teaching yourself something that you've never been able to do before, and it's just good for coordinated independence. You can do it. Cheers. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.